Hello friends, this is a promotional video. If your child is in class 5th and he or she is afraid of maths, then please stop worrying about him or her because now I have brought a very good book for all of you, those who are in class 5th. Now remove this word I can't do it from your dictionary because now you can only opt one option that I can do it. So mathematics not a problem. So I have brought this book for you. Just pay attention. This is a book, math practice book, crystal clear. As the name suggests, everything is crystal clear in this book, and this is written by me. Paperback is available on Amazon at Notion Press as well as Flipkart. So hurry up, my friends. And what is the special quality of this book? Let me share it with you. So the first point is the aim is to motivate students for independent learning because in mathematics generally parents are very much worried. They generally send their child to the coaching classes and they are still not satisfied and they keep worrying. So, I have brought this book that is definitely going to motivate your child for independent learning. Why? Because I have explained, I have shared my 15 years experience in this book that wherever the child gets stuck, I have explained that part so that your child can easily understand everything with the help of the example and the explanation given in the book. The second point, focus is on concept building. See, actually, generally, I have observed that many of the books are exercise oriented. Exercise oriented means so much of work is given for the teachers to do. That's why teachers are also become, but it becomes very difficult for them that how to teach the concept to the child because they have divided the time like concept only for 5 minutes, and after that 45 minutes they are continuously working on exercises. So exercise cannot take the students to a next level. That is the concept building. So I have done what did I do in this book? I have minimized the exercise part and my more concentration is on book. So this is going to assist the teachers a lot. So you can focus at least for 30 minutes in concept building, and then exercise part will be very easy for you and you can make many questions because I have shared the example. So you can make your own question to assist the students to do well. Okay. The third thing, sufficient examples of each and every topic. You can see the examples, and after reading the examples, even parents, those who usually say that I am not good in mathematics or like that, so they can also assist their child well. And the next is more than 15 worksheets only for students to boost their self confidence. It means the classwork exercises are separate, but after that I have attached 15 worksheet only for the students. It means the teachers are not going to take the headache to solve those exercises in the class. Only after building the concept, students are the one those who are going to do those exercise. So they are based on activity method, and parents can also assist the children and they can do it independently. Your work, parents work, is only to check them whether the child is getting everything correct or not. So this is going to help your child to boost their self confidence, and this is what is needed. If the interest is being created, then definitely the child is going to be very good in mathematics in future. So this is all about this book, and I think this is going to assist your child a lot. And the last point is separate exercise for class. It means you need not worry, the class exercises are there and sufficient work is given for the students to do in the class, and as well as the student worksheet is totally different. So this book is, I think, very good for the student, those who want to do something good in mathematics, and for the teachers as well as for the parents. I think this book is very, very nice. So if you are going to read, if you are going to follow this book, definitely I would like to know your opinion. And if you want, you can take my help. You can drop the message here, and thank you so very much. So don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So please subscribe, because all the notification you will get, and everything is given in the description box, so you need not to be worried. So please, I request you follow this book, and after that you share your opinion. Thank you so much.